Hello, grade 5. I hope everybody is happy and safe and healthy. Today, we would like to share with you how to create simple Google form which you need to create in order to conduct a survey for your UOY task today. So this is how we do it. First, you need to click here on this banner when you have different Google applications. Click there. Sometimes you can see it immediately. If not, just scroll it down a little and you have this sign over here, which is usually in this violet color, and it says forms. So you click on the form. When you click onto that form symbol, it's going to take you to Google Forms homepage. Can you see there are many here? But you don't need to choose any of these colorful ones today. You just go to a very simple blank Google form and you click on it. Here you go. Then here, you need to give your form a name. It needs a type of a title. So I would say UOY survey. But before that, what is important? It's your name and your class. So it's Maya 5B UOY survey. This is the name of your Google form. What do we do now? We know that you need to ask 5 questions. So we click here where it says Untitled question and you put your question 1. In this question, you are going to ask about how much time is spent working on screen, doing your homework, and so on. So you have the questions on the slides. Your question number 1 goes here. Okay, I'm just going to put some words there, not words, normal letters. Then what do you need to do? You need to choose the one with multiple choices. Why? Because it is going to help you create a pie chart after your survey is done. So here we go. Option 1. Here you're going to offer time. Let's say 1 to 3 hours. Hours, quite important for your surveys to be understood. Second one, let's say 3 to 5 hours, and so on. You should not have more than 3. So what can be this option there? Maybe 5 to 7 hours. Hopefully nobody spends such a long time working on the schoolwork. Okay, so this is your question number 1. We are done with question number 1. What do we do now? We click here, plus, and we go to question number 2. So here you start again. Question 2, and then you type it in, and you start with your options. Option 1, option 2, option 3. For every single question, please keep to 3 options that you will need to offer answers for. So when people reply to your survey and when they answer that, they will be able to click on 1 or 2 or 3. Okay, that's question number 2. Your third question goes exactly the same way. You're going to click to the plus, gonna scroll down a little bit so you can type it in. Question number 3, here we go. You put in your questions and you add the options. Option 1, 2, and 3. Your options need to offer answers to your question. So the people that you are asking about how they spend their time during the indoor time can answer that based on the offers. We do the same thing here. Question 4. We add more options here again. And your last question is going to be like this. Question 5, 3 options